In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Uber app not responding error. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you're getting this pop-up that your Uber app is not responding, there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. First, we need to troubleshoot the app by going to settings, and from settings go to apps. Under apps, look for this option called manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Uber and tap on it. Then go to force stop and OK. This will stop any background activities that might be causing this error. Then go to clear data and clear cache and OK. And finally clear all data. Now restart your smartphone and see if your Uber app works properly. However, if the app doesn't run, then check and see if you have any VPN app or any recently installed security app on your phone, and install the apps to fix this problem. At this point, now everything should be working. However, if this does not work, then check and then see if we have an update for your app by going to Google Play Store or App Store and update your app to the latest version. However, sometimes even after updating, this might not fix your issue. If that's the case, then you'll need to uninstall the app and install it afresh to clear bugs that might be associated with your Uber Request a Ride app. Let me know which of the above was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.